Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty, self-care, and all the innovative products designed to make you feel your best. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us, and if you've been with us for a while, welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we've got something special lined up, something that's been making waves in the world of hair care and self-improvement. If you've ever felt the frustration of thinning hair or the anxiety that comes with hair loss, you're not alone. But what if I told you that there's a breakthrough technology that's turning the tide for thousands of people? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best laser hair growth helmets, tools that are reshaping the way we think about hair regrowth, providing real results, and offering a solution that's easier than ever to use. So get ready. Whether you're dealing with thinning hair, a receding hairline, or just want to keep your hair in its best shape, we've got you covered. Grab your seat because the countdown starts now. Let's uncover the best of the best in laser hair growth technology. Coming in at number 5 on our top 5 best laser hair growth helmets list is the iGrow Laser Hair Growth System, a groundbreaking solution for both men and women looking to take control of thinning hair. What if you could rejuvenate your hair without stepping foot in a salon, all while sitting back and relaxing at home? The iGrow uses low-level light therapy, LLT, a clinically proven method that enhances cellular activity and promotes healthy, thick hair growth. This process is safe, effective, and simple to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you're checking emails, watching TV, or enjoying some music, you can be treating your scalp without lifting a finger. But it's not just about ease, it's about results. The iGrow's unique combination of lasers and LEDs targets your entire scalp at once, providing optimal coverage for maximum hair restoration. And with its patented hands-free design, you don't have to worry about recharging batteries or complex instructions. It's truly as easy as putting on a pair of comfortable headphones and letting the technology do the work for you. Plus, the adjustable fit ensures that it comfortably accommodates any head size. This system is more than just a product. It's an investment in your confidence and well-being. Imagine seeing fuller, healthier hair without the hassle of expensive salon visits or complicated treatments. iGrow is FDA-cleared and backed by over 15 years of expertise from Apira Science, a trusted leader in hair and skin therapies. If you're tired of feeling self-conscious about thinning hair and are ready for a solution that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, the iGrow could be exactly what you need. Don't wait. Take charge of your hair growth journey today and see why it's a top contender in our top 5 best laser hair growth helmets. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips. And remember, the only thing more satisfying than great hair is knowing you've got a smart, effective solution at your fingertips. At number 4 on our top 5 best laser hair growth helmets list, we have the Pro Laser Hair Growth Helmet LH80 by Theodome. What if you could take advantage of NASA-inspired technology to improve your hair growth, all from the comfort of your own home? The Theodome uses medical-grade laser technology, not LEDs, for optimal results. With 40 to 80 premium laser diodes, this helmet targets your scalp with focused light energy, ensuring deeper penetration and enhanced absorption. Unlike other devices that mix lasers with LEDs, Theodome gives you the pure power of lasers, providing the most effective therapy possible. The result? A healthier-looking head of hair with consistent, visible improvement. The design is ergonomic and hands-free, offering full scalp coverage from the hairline to the crown. That means no awkward positioning or additional effort required. Whether you're relaxing, working, or catching up on household tasks, you can treat your hair in as little as 20 minutes, twice a week. It fits seamlessly into your busy routine. Theodome's advanced technology is engineered in Silicon Valley, ensuring high precision, durability, and reliability. Plus, it's FDA-cleared, so you know it's both safe and effective for your scalp and hair wellness. The best part? It integrates effortlessly with other hair care treatments, such as shampoos, conditioners, or serums, making it a fantastic addition to your existing routine. This helmet isn't just another beauty gadget, it's a game changer. If you're looking for an innovative, efficient, and scientifically backed solution to hair thinning, the Theodome LH80 might be exactly what you need. With consistent use, you could be on your way to fuller, thicker hair in no time. So if you like what you've learned, subscribe for more expert tips, and let's get that hair growing. Coming in at number 3 on our top 5 best laser hair growth helmets list, we have the Hairmax LaserBand 82. What if you could restore your natural hair cycle in just 90 seconds, 3 times a week? The Hairmax LaserBand 82 is more than just another laser hair therapy device. It's a clinically validated solution that has been proven to regrow hair. Backed by 7 clinical studies and 14 international medical licenses, the LaserBand 82 uses medical-grade lasers to target hair follicles, reversing thinning hair and promoting growth. On average, users experience a significant increase of 129 new hairs per square inch after just 6 months of use. This device features 82 medical-grade lasers, not LEDs, delivering therapeutic red light energy directly to your scalp. The flexible band design and soft-touch teeth ensure a comfortable treatment, even for the most sensitive scalps. And with a fast 90-second treatment, it's perfect for anyone with a busy schedule. Whether you're at home or on the go, its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to incorporate into your routine. Hairmax is not just about quick results. It's about consistency and effectiveness. With a 93% success rate in clinical trials, most users start seeing visible results in as little as 3 to 6 months. Plus, the device is backed by a 6-month money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. If you want to take control of your hair health and grow fuller, denser, and healthier hair, the Hairmax LaserBand 82 is your go-to solution. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, because we've got plenty more expert insights coming your way. Are you loving the countdown of the top 5 best laser hair growth helmets? Well, don't just sit there like a helmet on standby. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a hair-raising update. At number 2 in our top 5 best laser hair growth helmets, we have the Capillis Pro Mobile Laser Therapy Cap. Imagine being able to combat hair loss in just 6 minutes a day, no matter where you are. Capillis Pro is FDA-cleared and clinically proven to help regrow hair for both men and women, particularly for those dealing with hereditary hair loss, thinning, receding hairlines, or even baldness. With its 272 red light lasers, this device offers comprehensive scalp coverage and stimulates hair follicles with precise, medical-grade technology. The unique LaserFlex inner fitting, made from medical-grade silicone, ensures maximum comfort as it fits securely around your scalp. Whether you're at home or on the go, the Capillis Pro makes it easy to incorporate this treatment into your routine. Just 6 minutes a day, and you're one step closer to fuller, thicker hair. Not only is it backed by physicians, but it also works best when used alongside other Capillus products. Plus, with its US-based manufacturing and customer service, you can feel confident in the quality and support that comes with every purchase. Don't let hair loss control your life. If you're ready for a change, the Capillis Pro Mobile Laser Therapy Cap is your next step toward a more confident, fuller head of hair. If this sounds like a solution you've been looking for, don't forget to subscribe for more expert reviews on the top 5 best laser hair growth helmets. At number 1 in our top 5 best laser hair growth helmets, we have the IRestore Essential Laser Hair Growth System. What if you could start seeing thicker, fuller hair in as little as 3 to 6 months, without any painful procedures or complicated treatments? The iRestore Essential offers clinically proven results for both men and women suffering from hair thinning, balding, or a receding hairline. With FDA clearance and backed by clinical studies, this laser cap uses low-level red light therapy to stimulate hair follicles and promote growth. In fact, a recent study found that 100% of users saw visible improvement, with an average increase of 43.2% in hair count. Imagine the boost in confidence when you start noticing fuller hair on your scalp, all from a simple, comfortable, hands-free device that you can use while going about your day. The iRestore Essential isn't just another hair treatment. It's a scientifically backed solution designed for convenience. Unlike laser combs or brushes that require constant hand movement, this cap provides full coverage and is lightweight, easy to use, and designed for daily use. It's also built to complement other hair growth treatments. Whether you're using supplements, shampoos, or topical products like minoxidil or biotin, physicians recommend combining IRestore with these treatments to enhance results. Plus, with a 6-month money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. If you don't see visible improvement in 6 months, simply return it for a refund. Don't let hair loss control your life any longer. If you want to regain your confidence and start seeing results, the IRestore Essential Laser Hair Growth System is your solution. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss out on the rest of our top 5 best laser hair growth helmets countdown. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top 5 best laser hair growth helmets. To stay updated on all the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.